guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all guide to be a morning person. There is plenty of literature, resources, books that talk about the habit of waking up early and the benefits of waking up early. During these extra hours of the day, you can get a lot of stuff done. You can work on your health or your physique. You can work on your extra assignments or study an extra hour or work on your self-development. Work on your business, work on your side hustle, etc. etc. You can do a lot of stuff in that particular hours before the world wakes up, because the energy is such that helps you focus and be efficient with that particular time so that you are able to get more stuff done in less amount of time. The benefits of having extra hours in the morning could also be the buffer hours that you would have after waking up and before facing the world. And what you do in these hours gets you ahead in life and gets you ahead in a lot of different aspects of your health, career, relationships, family, etc. You cannot just one day decide that you will be getting up early and wake up early the next morning. The entire prep and the foundations are built what you do a night before the next day. So it's best to first correct your roots and end your day efficiently to start your day efficiently. So here are a couple of things that you can do a night before to ensure that you wake up early. Number one, retire from your phone or from any screen like laptop, iPad, TV at least 1 hour before going to the bed. Pick up a book or even play a game with your family members or your partner that doesn't involve you with the gadgets, but rather involves you and involves your sensories. So this is the time to encash, to develop the habit that you have been meaning to develop for the longest amount of time. Usually for me, this is the reading hour. I like to read things or listen to music. I just play the music playlist that I have and keep my phone away from me and restrict myself from reaching out to the phone. I don't reply to the messages, I don't reply to the emails. I basically just retire from any of the screen or from the gadgets that I own. Next, you can also practice meditation at this particular time. This will help you improve your sleep quality, because during the day what happens is we go through n number of emotions and thoughts during the day, and when we come to our bed and we relax, our mind starts to churn out all of the things that happened during the day. So it's best to meditate it off and put a full stop on all of your thoughts and the things that happen in your day, and just practice being in the moment. You can meditate, you can repeat your affirmations, you can chant. Basically, just get your mind to relax and slip into sleep that will help you be more energized in the morning. To do this, what you can do is you can make sure you sleep at the same time and wake up at the same time, because if you do this on a regular basis, instantly at that particular hour you will feel sleepy and your body will retire from all of the things that are happening in your environment. You can also use this time to reprogram a lot of things by journaling and writing down your thoughts and emptying your mind. This could be just ranting it out, or maybe journaling the scripting way. This helps me transfer all of the thoughts that I have on the paper and have no thoughts while I am asleep. This increases my sleep and the quality of my sleep. So this way, you would require less number of hours to sleep, and yet you will feel more energized when you wake up in the morning. You can also talk to yourself and tell your brain that this is the time that you want to wake up to, and see that you will wake up on the exact time without an alarm. And this is something that I am talking from my personal experience. Now I have tuned my body in a certain way that I don't need an alarm to wake up. I wake up at the same time and practice my morning routine. To relax yourself, you can also take a shower, hot or cold, whatever your preference is. My preference is a cold shower, and slip into my comfy PJs. Pick up my book and keep reading until I doze off. So this is also the time when you pick up any activity, you'll be able to adopt it more quickly and faster because you're just doing it before sleeping and getting into your subconscious. And this will impact your life deeply. Now that we know a little bit about what to do to ensure that we are a morning person, now let's actually move to having a morning routine that you look forward to when you wake up. So during times when you have something very important planned in the day, in the morning, you're so excited that you wake up early, you get dressed early, and you look forward to doing that particular task. So always have something very important scheduled in the morning that you look forward to that will help you and motivate you to get out of your bed. This could be a morning routine. I absolutely love my morning routine and it is very simple. It's just getting up, meditating, and listening to self-development videos because what information I take in, the first thing that I wake up is something that's how my day is going to be. So I like to listen to a lot of self-development content. The first thing when I wake up, then I get dressed. The morning routine is super simple. Your morning routine has to be super simple. It does not have to be a 3 to 4 hour long morning routine that discourages you to wake up early, but instead motivates you to wake up early. Also, this is the time when you shouldn't be reaching out to your phone. It should be after 2 to 3 hours that you've woken up that you should be reaching out to your phone. So once you start getting up early, you will have enough time to even make breakfast. Earlier, I always used to crib that I do not have time to make hot breakfast. I always used to do cold breakfasts, but I am a big breakfast person. And ever since I have inculcated this habit of waking up early, I can make myself, because I have time, hot breakfasts, and I enjoy that meal of that particular day before starting my days, and then take on my day ahead. And any day I have not done my morning routine or I haven't wake up on time, that day usually goes a little groggy and I miss that earlier hour that I spend with myself that prepares me to face the world and face my work. This is exactly what you can do to be a morning person and see your life change. So yeah, that was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end, and I will see you in another video. Till then, bye bye.